It's your girl Hunchovb VB. I hope everyone is having a good day today. Well, I'm going to do a quick video on some short ribs. We're going to do some beef short ribs in the Ninja Foodie. So come on, let's get started. Okay, so I've got a small pack of beef short ribs, and I'm going to take these out of the package, and I'm going to season them with this new seasoning. It's called by Cigar City Smoked Sweet Heat. Okay, we're going to put these in the Ninja Foodie, and then once they cook, I'm going to sauce them, and we're going to air fry them. All that's going to be done in the Ninja Foodie. Be right back. Okay, so I have rinsed off my meat, and I'm just going to use this Cigar City. I'll give a link to where you can find it. I got this on Amazon. This is my first time using it, but I understand it's real good. So I'm going to put this to the test. I'm going to season my beef really well. Okay, let's get these over into the Ninja Foodie. Okay, I got the beef over into the Ninja Foodie basket. You see I'm using the fry basket. And I'm going to add a cup of water. So in another video I did some beef short ribs, and I put the short ribs over in the liquid. This time I'm keeping the short ribs out of the liquid. Okay, let's get the top on. Okay, make sure you're in the seal position. Okay. Okay, I'm going to cut this on. Going to pressure high. I'm going to do 20 minutes. And I'm going to do a release after 10 minutes. Okay, so I'll see you back in a few. Oh my goodness, y'all. These look good just like they are. Wow. Okay, I'm going to sauce them up with some sweet baby rays. So let me do this, and then I'm going to air crisp for about 10 minutes. Be right back. Okay, don't these look good? Look. I'm just so amazed. I think the seasoning is going to be the bomb. Okay. Now I'm going to turn on the Ninja Foodie. Close the lid. Okay, I'm going to hit air crisp. I'm going down to 375. I'm going to do 10 minutes. Oh, why don't I make it 360 for 10 minutes? Okay. See you back in a few. Guys, don't they look good? Oh my goodness. Look at the nice caramelization. Oh wow. Okay, let's get these out of the basket. And by the way, I didn't empty the broth that was in the pot. I just left it in there. Okay. These have got to cool a bit, and we've got to give it a taste. All right. Be right back. Guys, look at these beef short ribs. Oh my goodness. They look like candied ribs to me. Gosh. Okay. I only made a little bit. I did buy a lot of short ribs because they can be kind of pricey, and they were on sale. Anyway, yummy, yummy. Oh my gosh. Okay, look. Look how tender. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh, guys, look. Oh boy. Oh. Look at that. Whew. Taste it. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you. Oh my goodness. Whew. Guys, I had to switch it up so y'all could see me. OMG. These taste so good. God. That's good. Okay, this is, we have to cut this short. You all need to give this a try. If you like this video, click like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, y'all. And look, until next time, Hunchovb VB is out. Peace. Look, guys, this is not sponsored. I'm not getting anything from showing you the seasoning. But y'all need to try this seasoning. Oh my goodness. This seasoning is what's setting those ribs off. Those beef short ribs. Who knew?